Thank you for the introduction. Hey everyone, I'm Rakshit Agrawal, Principal AI Scientist at Synthpop AI, and really happy to be discussing transformer networks with everyone. Really, how they work, what they are, and as you all might be observing, they're everywhere around us at this point. So before I go more into depth, just a quick evolution of how we reached to the transformers. So overall, NLP has been around for quite a while, but the neural net takeover started in the 2010s, 2012 being a pivotal moment. And around that time, what we have seen is word embeddings, word-to-vec, glove, these things that were coming out of Stanford and all other labs really started to take on, and NLP started redefining itself using neural networks. And in mid-2010s, this is the time of RNNs and LSTMs coming back. LSTMs technically are 1997 based. So it's still an old model, but everything was reviving. We had enough data, enough compute resources because of GPUs, that everything was coming back and neural nets were taking on with NLP going into a domain called sequence to sequence. So there's a sentence goes into the model, a sentence comes out of the model. A sentence is a sequence of words. And that whole concept of sequence to sequence was emerging in the mid-2010s, somewhere 2015, 2014, significant papers came in. And then right as it was growing, the concept of attention mechanisms came around. Transformers are going to cover a lot of that, but I will also describe attention in detail as we go along. This fueled a brand new architecture in 2017, transformers. The main concept, the talk is all about those transformers. But since, let's say, 90s, 2000s, 2010s, the larger architectures were feed-forward neural networks, conventional neural networks, and recurrent neural networks. There were three architectures that were really dominating everything you did with neural nets. And with transformers, we got this fourth new major architectural change that has just redefined how we are doing everything in neural net computation. So transformers in 2017 started to bring that major change. And now today, everyone is interacting with GPT, where the T is transformer, but was a great model which sort of almost paralleled GPT-1, a little before GPT-1, but was a model, and VIT is a vision transformer model. There are several talks around those kind of areas. But transformers are really, really shaping this new era of AI. If you are using AI tools at this point, in some form or the other, it's very likely that you're using transformers. This conference might be the only conference which still deals a lot with CNNs, convolutional neural nets. But all the other sort of conversations that are going around, what's being used as a model, it's coming down to transformers because of the capabilities that I'm going to discuss, but of something through GPT that all of you are experiencing today.